Are you a graphic designer seeking for more ways to monetize your creative skill? Then this video is for you. So guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to YJ Digital. I remain your regular host, Ago Joseph. On this video, I will be guiding you through on how to monetize your graphic design skill on a platform called MasterBundles.com. One of the ways in which you can monetize your digital skill is by selling design templates on the website. Okay, so on today's video I'll be guiding you through on how to navigate the website, how to sign up on the website, and how to set up a profile for yourself in which you can use to sell your design templates. So let's get into it. On my Firefox browser, here is the web address MasterBundles.com. okay, now here on the MasterBundles dashboard, here are the various services which they render. That is the various kind of products which they render on this platform. Includes graphics, fonts, add-ons, templates, stock contents, blogs, and many more. Under this category, there are other subcategories under them. That is on the menu here. On the graphic menu here, you have a lot of products which you can sell, such as patterns, logos, badge, textures, background, t-shirts, characters, infographic as well, and many more. Likewise, on this platform, you can also sell your fonts as well as your add-ons, your Photoshop plugins, Illustrators add-ons, and the rest of them. Basically, we'll be focusing on the templates. Okay, so on the template here, we have other kind of templates which you can sell. You have presentations, social media, mockups, printables, resume, UI kits, certificates, magazines, landing page, and WordPress. If you notice on my channel, I do more of social media flyers precisely. So I'll come under the templates category all the way to printables. Under the printables, you have brochure, card, posters, and the rest of them. So here I'll be searching for flyers. When I click on flyer, here are the various flyer samples uploaded by other graphic designer that have signed up on the platform. Okay, so in a situation whereby you want to buy a particular kind of flyer, or you want to navigate to explore the interface more, you use the search menu over here and search in with your keywords. For example, if you're looking for, let me say, a party flyer, for example, let me say party flyer. Here is the search results for the word party flyer. So when you navigate and using the key terms, you'll find such kind of results at the end of your search. Okay, so next I'll be guiding you on how to sign up on the platform. So first thing first, you click on sign up. Based on you are new to the platform, so you click on sign up over here. Now the sign up forms comes up, in which you can fill them with your details. Okay, create a password and the rest of them. But in doing this, I'll be making use of my Google to sign up and save myself of the stress of filling the whole form. So I can come over here and select this Google account of mine. So after selecting the Google account, you notice that your name and your emails have been filled in. So over here where you have your username and password, you can create a custom username and a password, then you proceed. So when signing up, you make sure that your passwords includes uppercase, lowercase, and special characters as well included to them, as well as numbers. Then you click on create. After signing up, here you have the welcome message from the master bundle family. Okay, here as well you have the three kind of categories of users. We have the vendors, we have the affiliates, and we have the buyer. So you as a designer that want to sell your design template, you have to select the vendor option. Okay, if you want to sign up as an affiliate where you'll be selling other people's products, you can also sign up. Likewise, as a buyer, you can also sign up. But as a designer that want to sell on this platform, you just select the vendor and click on choose my role. Okay, after doing that, here you come over here to fill the vendor's cabinet details. Okay, here you have to select your country's code. Okay, your country code for call. Then you type in your mobile number for this. So after doing that, you click on get code. After pasting in the confirmation code, you click on confirm code. On the next phase, you'll notice that this menu comes up. Okay, here still under the vendor cabinet, we have the dashboard, we have the add product, earnings, and profile. So here we'll be doing justice to adding our products to our profile. Okay, here we'll be adding our products that we'll be selling on this platform to here. So click on add product. Okay, after clicking on add product, you have a menu of this nature that comes up. You say sell your product. Under here you have create a new product. Here as well they talked about the percentage cut for each product you sell. Okay, for each product you sell, they get 50% cut out of the total amount for the product. Okay, so if a product is for $10, they get 50% of that $10 as their commission. Take note that you are signing up on this platform for free and you are not paying any money. So the condition here for selling your templates and other items is 50% cut for every item you sell on the platform. Okay, so here they say add title for the product you actually want to sell. Here I want to sell a food flyer. Okay, let me call this food flyer. Okay, food flyer. That's the title for this for the template I want to sell. So under what category, I'll come over here and slide over to templates all the ways to printables and all the ways to flyers, and check this. I think I'm done with that. So here I'll also have to set a preview image for the item that I want to sell actually. So here they say we should drag and drop the image of what we actually want to sell in here. So and here is the pixels. The size, okay, is 500 kilobytes max. That is the maximum size for the item, and there are the dimension for the item, 1100 pixels by 1100 pixels. Click to select the file. Okay, I'll click and select the preview image. Same here, I will also attach same image over here. Here we have where we have to place our prices. We have the personal category, the commercial and extended commercials. We also have old price. So if you like, you can place in the price manually depending on how you want to place the price. So here I'll just click on auto pricing so that the engine will automatically fix a price for me for that. So after that, here you will see you will have a portion that says drag or click to upload product, attach only zip file for the sales, not more than 4 gigabytes max. Okay, so the file I'm uploading is a PSD file. Okay, so I also have to zip it so that I can be able to upload it here. Okay, so all I have to do is to attach the zip file over here. So all I have to do is to slide over to where I have my zip file and drag it into this space here, okay, and it has been uploaded successfully. So the next space here, we'll have to be talking about the added properties. Okay, here we'll talk about the type of file. So this file here is a PSD file precisely, so I'll select the PSD. Okay, make sure it's selected. Then here I'll also slide over here and select what category does the flyer belongs to, or the template belongs to. So I'll call this food. Okay, that's for that. So after doing that, I'll also scroll down here. They say add a media. I have made a tutorial video for this, so all I have to do is to paste in the URL link for the video, okay, on how to go about that. So I'll come over here and paste in the URL link to the video, okay. So after doing that, I'll scroll down over here. So I'll just slide over down to here. They say add a description for the master bundle, not minimum 150 text, okay. So you have to place in a detailed description for the product you are actually selling. So you just do that over here. So you come in here and paste in your description, okay. So you come in here and paste in your description. After doing that, you slide over down over here as well and check, go through every information to confirm that everything is in place, okay. Everything is selected. So here I'll accept the terms and conditions of master bundle, okay. Accept the terms and conditions for that. So after doing that, all you have to do is to click on submit over here, okay. But I noticed that it's also requesting for the Pinterest. So you slide over here all the way to where you have Pinterest image and select the image. So here I'll attach the Pinterest image over here. So after doing that, I'll click on submit. So my template has been uploaded, okay. So we'll have to wait for about a day. We have to wait for about 24 hours for MasterBundle to verify our content on the platform, okay. If you want to sign up, you can also check the video description. You'll find the referral link to sign up on this platform. So thank you guys for watching.